Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Land Rover Discovery. So we're on sat-nav at the moment. What you need to do, you go to phone, and straight away it brings up there's nothing connected to it at the moment, but it brings up the phones that are connected or have been connected and gives you the choice to delete them. So I want to delete my phone, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Delete Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Land Rover Discovery. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth switched on, so into general and into Bluetooth. You'll see it's switched on there. I've got quite a lot of stuff connected to my Bluetooth. I'm sure yours won't look like that, or hopefully it won't. If it does, you've got too many gadgets. Right, so over to the display here, we'll click on phone. There's nothing connected, so it's bringing this menu up straight away, search new. So on to search new. Vehicle to device is the best one. That usually means that you don't have to put your own PIN code in on your phone and then enter the PIN code in on the system. If you do it from the vehicle to device, it generates, it either gives you a number or it generates a random code which you've just got to agree to. So it's searching there. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, that's what we want. Click on that, and now there you go. It's generated a random PIN code. To pair and connect phone, enter 3618 on the handset. All right, so we've got to wait for this to come up. So I have got to enter one, but at least I don't have to enter it in both. Pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. And then we're watching out. We've got a few Land Rovers there. Where's it gone? Still showing us connecting over there. Our Land Rover connected, and you see there, well, it's brought my sat nav online on the phone, and that's it. It's connected. So that's it. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your phone through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Land Rover Discovery, and through the Harman Kardon speakers, which are brilliant in this car. So we go to music. Well, there's a record playing, but at the bottom there you'll see, if I click on that, Land Rover, there's a tick next to it. If I wanted to play it through the iPhone, press that, but the tick's next to that, which means any music that plays, whether it be Spotify, Amazon Music, iTunes, or the soundtrack of a YouTube video, it will play through this system. So we'll go back here. I'm going to turn it down, turn that down, click play, and then we go over to the Bluetooth system. Click on audio video. I'm going to turn that down. That's come on straight away. That's playing the record straight away. That's because it's already set to Bluetooth. However, you see there My Music with the plus. If I click that, and then I click back on, we'll click back on auxiliary, and then back like so. We'll do that again. So I'm going to click play on here. I'm going to go over to audio video. You can get it via there, or you can click there. Now auxiliary, so it's not going to play. So what we do, we go to My Music, we click the plus, and then we click Barry's iPhone there, then turn it up here. Another thing I'll warn you about is, sometimes if you go over here, it's not playing, it's not showing your phone, and you've just got radio, DAB radio, My Music, and My Video, and there's no plus there. Let's just try and get that plus off. If I go to DAB radio, turn that down, you see there the plus comes up for your choices. So I'll just go back to nav, audio video. There you go, the plus is next to there, so you've no real option to change to Bluetooth. So I'll do it again. So I'll click on Bluetooth, I'll turn this up, but we need to go to My Music. There you go, the plus has come up now. So just click it. If you don't see the plus next to it, click it, it'll give you some options, and then the plus will come back up. That's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2012 Land Rover Discovery. From any screen here, you can either go to home menu, and the home menu is quite, there you go, you see, you can go straight to destination entry. Otherwise, you click on nav, and destination entry is at the top. So destination entry, we want postcode, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston. P, it's a bit slow. R, it's defaulted to numbers now, 5, 4, can go back to letters, E, A, PR5, 4EA, click OK. You've got destination up there, you've got this thing with a load of arrows, and you've got destination. Click destination. The destination has been set, so you're setting the destination there. Even though you've input it all, you still have to confirm it, and then you click go, like that.
Guidance will start when you join the highlighted route.
Now, another great thing, quite often in other cars, you've set your home destination, and you get on the motorway, and you know where you're going from there, and you don't want to listen to instructions anymore, and you want to knock it off. Some you have to go into the menu and search through it and click off. With a Land Rover or Range Rover, all you need to do now is click home, the home menu, and then there, cancel guidance. It's as simple as that. Range Rover and Land Rover product are so good, so simple to use, so well built. Everyone should have them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.